If you want to take a song and isolate just the sound of the instrumentals, you can do this in seconds using Meta's Segment Anything model. To do this, go to Google and search for Segment Anything Playground and look for this link, aidemos.meta.com. Then press Try It, which takes you to the playground. We'll go to the SAM Audio section here on the right. Now press Upload and select the file of your song. Here's a sample of the song I'm uploading.
Dust on ancient stone, tales.
Once uploaded, it will ask you what you want to isolate. You can either enter vocals or instrumental here because it will isolate both of them. Then press Isolate Sound. After about 15 seconds, it's done processing. It'll give you the original song, the isolated sound, and the music without the isolated sound. So if you typed in vocals, the isolated soundtrack will be the vocals, and the without isolated soundtrack will be the instrumental. If you typed in instrumental, it will be vice versa. We can then mute the other two tracks to hear what the isolated instrumental sounds like.
Dust on ancient stone, tales forever known.
I want to download the file of the instrumentals now, so I'll press the download button in the top right corner here. And from the options that pop up, again, because I typed in vocals as the isolated sound, I'll select without isolated sound to be downloaded, and it downloads the instrumental as a WAV file.